Hey guys, Josh here with RedNeck GreenThumb. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my garden before the season's ready so that I'll be ready to put stuff down. Let's get to it. Alright, so the rabbits produce manure. I take the manure, I shovel it into a bucket, and then that manure goes into the garden. So I move all the dirt, I throw the manure down, and then I cover it. I got this one and that one and one around the corner, and just a flower bed in the front there. So there, gotta go get some manure. It is the 20th, I think, of March. So today's the first day of spring. These are some onions from last year. I want to figure out where to put them. Last year all my tomatoes blocked my window so I couldn't see anything. I think maybe this year the onions will go around here. All my low stuff like radishes and maybe some pepper plants. Pat them down, try and get all the air out, or else you'll just have them rot underground. First thing in the garden's onions. And so just to recap on what I did, I moved the dirt, I threw down a whole bunch of manure, then I covered it over, and then I sprinkled in some 4-6-8 organic fertilizer. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. And God bless, and stay safe out there.